Does anybody recognize this video? If you do, it means you've been around in the Blender community for more than 12 years. Hi, I'm George Kim, the creator of this video. Creating a winter wonderland in Blender is quite easy. Well, the principle is easy. Implementing it to the thousands of objects in your scene may be another. I thought there must be an add-on to do that as simply as the principle behind it is. So I purchased a couple of add-ons when they were on sale and forgot about them. Only recently I felt the need to use them on a latest project. And guess what? They were so complicated to use when they don't have to be. All I wanted is an add-on that applies a simple principle that turns your entire scene into winter. So I ended up spending a couple of work days creating an add-on to do them myself. I've named it Fast Snow and releasing it through the Super Hype market and asking for your contribution for the days of work I spent in coding and testing the add-on. But before I do, let me show you how to add snow to your objects without any add-ons, in case you don't know how. Let's get some objects ready, one with blue, another with red. Go to the shader window, press Shift A, and type normal. All you need to do is to add the top two nodes that show up in the list, utility vector normal and input geometry normal. First, add the input geometry normal, and then the utility vector normal. And connect the socket from the geometry normal to the input socket of the utility vector normal. Connect the dot socket to the base color input of the principal BSDF node. Let's make the effect more obvious. Let's cut a color ramp node and put it between the dot and the base color. Let's adjust the color ramp a little bit. So, you get the idea. The white is the snow and the black is the surface. Let's use this as a mask for the surface material. Let's add a color mix node. Below is the color for the snow and the top is for the surface color. So let's add an independent color and connect it to the upper color input. Now here's a trick for controlling all objects in the scene with the same snow. Select all the nodes that we've just added except the input color node and Ctrl G to make a custom group node, and let's name this Add Snow. Now we can copy this group node by Ctrl C and add this node to other objects in the scene. Another way to access this node is by Shift A and typing Add Snow. Once this node gets added to all objects in your scene, you can control the snow of your scene by going into any of this node group, and any changes you make inside this node affect all objects having this node in their shaders. This setup is very effective in adding realistic snow to high quality objects. Let me show you an example. Let's add a photo scan mountain and add this node and see the effect. Now the problem is, what if there are thousands of objects in your scene with hundreds of materials? How are you going to track all their shaders and add the node at the right spot? The challenge becomes worse if you're dealing with geometry node based scene that someone else made that show no trace of shaders. How are you going to track all of them to start with? Well, that is what add-ons are supposed to do. I'm surprised that no one else made it yet. So I made this add-on called Fast Snow. Drop the add-on zip file to the screen and click OK. We have the panel Fast Snow added. Let's click on the panel and see that Fast Snow has been installed correctly. And let's save this in the Preferences. Go to Edit, Preferences, Save Preferences. And click Activate Snow. Can you recognize the familiar sphere? So you know what it does. If you don't want the snow, click Remove Snow. Simple as that. So I'm releasing this add-on through Superhype Market, hopefully within the next few days. If you appreciate what I've made, please contribute a little for the few days that I spend making this add-on by purchasing it through Superhype Market. A portion of it will be donated to the Blended Development Fund. So that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching.